Today, I'm going to be checking out this cargo carrier that I was sent so I could do the review. Let's get this thing out of the box, see everything it comes with, put it together, and see how it looks. So this is everything out of the box, and this is a pretty cool kit. Not only does it come with, the main cargo carrier and the little flip-up arm and all of that, license plate holder, reflectors, just all of this stuff. It comes with the bag, it comes with ratchet straps, it comes with this net here that's like a bungee net, and then extra straps right here to tighten down, I think, the bag. It's got the manual here. I'm gonna go ahead and read through that and start putting this thing together, and then we'll see how it looks and how it works. So I've got the frame lightly put together, and what I mean by that is I haven't tightened the bolts down. I found it easiest to just stick the hitch into the truck and then build it onto the hitch. That seems to be the easiest for me, but you do you. Now I'm gonna get all of this tightened up, and then I'll start putting on the accessories. So I've got it nice and tightened up, and this is what it looks like folded up. Of course, without the bag or anything in there. Now, if you notice, there's this license plate carrier right here. That has little holes in it, so it can be like this when it's folded up, so your license plate isn't blocked and you don't get pulled over. And then when you fold this down, it bolts on a different direction so that it sits properly for anyone that needs to see the license plate. So I do really like this. It's a nice big cargo carrier. A lot of times we have luggage or ice chests, things like that on it, maybe canopies, whatever. And we're usually needing room, not heavy duty weight. So it's still a 500-pound capacity, but man, it's big. It lets you carry a lot of stuff. Anyways, let me get the rest of the stuff put on here so you can see it. So now I'm checking out this big waterproof bag. It's, pretty big. I mean, it fills up the whole cargo carrier, and it's got these little Velcro points. It's got this that folds over to keep the water off the zipper. So that's the zipper. It's a really nice waterproof type zipper. 2 zippers on it, one on each side here. It's got one there. And then this is actually the top. So when it's full, you got all your stuff in it. It's got these tie down points here. There's 6 tie down points on this. And that is why it comes with these 6 straps. So these help you strap it down to this carrier. So one thing it does is it keeps the bag inside the carrier, so it's like strapping the bag down, but it also allows you to tighten the bag. So let's say you only have this bag half full. You don't need this big loose bag flapping behind you making a bunch of noise. You have these 6 straps, then you just pull them tight, and it pulls the air and the empty space out of it to pull down onto the rack. That way it's all nice and smooth, molded. You don't have things flapping in the back. And of course, on top of that, you've got 3 ratchet straps to tighten it down even more. And you've got this net. And basically what this does is it stretches over the whole top of this cargo carrier like a spider web. So if you have, let's say, ice chests and a bunch of awkward things on here, you can just stretch it over the whole thing and use these clamps right here. They attach to the web of this, and then you can, latch it to the bars and everything around it. I mean, it does have this open bar area here, so you can attach things to it. Very cool. I mean, I'm excited to have it. It's really nice. Definitely think it's going to be something used quite often. I love the fact that it folds up. It's got the license plate back here, so if you're covering up your license plate, you still have the license plate here. You got reflectors. It even has reflector tape. I've got it sitting on the back of my truck back there, but I've got some tape I got to put on for the reflectors. And it comes with the anti-rattle device that you put on your hitch to keep this thing from rattling going down the road. So, I mean, this thing is like the complete setup. I really like it. I definitely think you'll really like it. So I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.